Welcome back to Daddy-Daughter Reading Time. Today, we're reading Pete the Cat and the Case of the Hiccups. Are we ready to read?
Yeah!
Let's get to it, girls. Hiccup! Oh no! Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! How do you stop the hiccups?
I don't know.
Pete asks Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. You guys think that'll work? Let's see.
No.
Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down.
That's not gonna work.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups.
Maybe the song will be, I like my shoes. I like my shirt.
Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob.
Daddy, how does he have to push?
You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it, Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. We hope that you guys enjoyed reading Pete the Cat with us today. And as always, don't forget to continue to read throughout the summer so you can get ready for the school year. And what else, G?
And share with your family and friends.
Share
and
with...
hit the bell and hit the combination.
You heard what Giavanna says. Share with your family and friends, and always like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.